জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী, জয় বিশালাক্ষী, জয়।
Gurudev, you.
Calm down. Calm down, Tripto.
Gurudev, I can't calm down. I can't figure out what I have to do right now.
I know everything. I've heard everything what you just said. You were fighting with yourself, isn't it? You were asking questions to yourself, didn't you? So what did your heart say? You love Nayan a lot, don't you?
Do I love her?
Tripto, that's what it seems from your words. Can someone suffer so much for another person without loving them? Does someone convey their love by pouring out their heart like this? The thing is that I too felt the pain that you felt. When someone's pain touches another person's emotions, that pain is deadly. That pain is too much to handle. Look, Tripto, I'll tell you something. Listen carefully. Okay, is there something you hide something from yourself? See, it's easy to hide things from others. But Tripto, it's very painful to hide something from your own self. And the pain of that suffering, isn't the pain of that suffering slowly eating you up? Yes, you can definitely not look into my eyes. I have nothing to say about it. But I would like to say something to you. See, this pain has no cure. Yes, you glance at yourself and you ask yourself whether you really love Nayan or not.
Gurudev, I may say many things to many people, but I honestly can't lie to you. In fact, to be honest, I'm really scared. I'm very scared, Gurudev.
Scared of what, Tripto? What?
Scared to love. I have a fear of love.
Tripto?
Yes, Gurudev. It's true. When I was a kid, I saw Dad used to love Mother a lot. But after Mother's demise, Dad got married again. Then where did Dad's love disappear all of a sudden? Gurudev, I've seen it in many cases. I used to love my mother so much. I used to tell her that I would never be able to love anyone else except you. But after my mom's demise, I loved my new mother again, Gurudev. You call it my pride or anything, but I did love her. I gave her the place of my mother so easily. Does that mean love is not only for one person, for a lifetime, Gurudev? So Gurudev, I fear to love. Gurudev, I wish I fall in love, but this fear surrounds me from all the sides, Gurudev. Loving someone, then forgetting them to accept another? I can't do that, Gurudev. I can never do that. Hence, it's better that I don't love anyone. Gurudev, Nayan has much importance in my life. Huge importance. I can't even explain to you how much that importance is, Gurudev. The importance is so much that it cannot be explained. But not more than that, Gurudev. Nothing more than that. Nothing.
I don't know, Lotus Vishalakshi, where I would go and in which direction. It's so dark everywhere. Just show me the path to the light. Your puja will start tomorrow morning. I will leave the house once it gets sober. Let everyone enjoy Tripto's birthday. Let them be happy. But let it be without me, Lotus Vishalakshi. Bless them, Lotus Vishalakshi, so that no harm can touch Tripto or his family. Bless them, Lotus Vishalakshi. Bless them. Please bless them.
Mother are you? My friend considers you her best friend. Then why are you torturing your best friend? Why are you making her cry? Whatever she wants, please listen to her prayer. Please, Mother. Oh no! If I hadn't come here at the correct time, it would have been a catastrophe. My friend friend ignited the lamp herself to submit to you. Why did a mishap happen with the flame of the same lamp? No, I should inform my friend. Today what is? No. It will give my friend more pain if she learns this. But why did it catch fire like this? What danger are you indicating, Lourdes?
Jasmine? What happened to you?
You were all right. Going to the hospital was just acting, wasn't it?
Why are you pretending to be sick in your own home? What's the matter?
Am I pretending? Who said I'm pretending? I'm really sick.
Are you really sick? What happened to you?
I can't say this to you right now, Mrs. Basu.
Why are you avoiding me?
This is my own game, Mrs. Basu. I can't involve you in this. But don't worry. I'm a bigger player than you, okay? It is beyond your imagination. That is what I can do.
Why do you call yourself a bigger player again and again? Maybe. You are a bigger player, but you are not capable of dribbling the ball from midfield all by yourself, Jasmine. You will need our help.
I don't need anyone's help, Mrs. Basu. I initiated this alliance with you in my interest. Don't forget that. I made an effort to help you.
Oh, really? Is it so? So this means you can handle this alone, can you?
Exactly. Take Deepu. He's trying again and again to meet you. He's asking me for your address. Shall I give it to him? Yes? Should I? Let him come then. Face him alone.
No. Dripto does not have to run to me. He doesn't have to bother so much. Rather, I will come to his place. His own house. I will face him there. Real soon. Are you assured now? I'm coming soon, Mrs. Basu.
What game is Jasmine playing? What ploy will she make? She's going to meet Deepu herself. From where is she getting such confidence?
Mother,
Yes?
all the arrangements are made.
Yes.
But there's a question on my mind.
Question?
Yes. There are individual flowers to offer different lords. Like Lord Bholanath needs to be offered blue flowers. We've put a hibiscus garland on Lourdes Vishalakshi. But if there's any specific flower or fruit for her, then we have no knowledge of that.
You are right, Pratima. This is the first time Lourdes Vishalakshi is worshipped in our house.
Oh, I see you've got a questionnaire in my friend's absence.
So tell me, what should we do? Who else knows the arrangements and rituals of the Lourdes except your friend? She has been worshipping her Lourdes since childhood.
Okay,
let me go and get my friend ready.
Yes, that's a good idea. But don't just sit there and start chatting. Get her
No.
ready quickly and bring her here. We have so much to do.
Today's Deepu's birthday, mother. I should go and call him. He has brought the idol of Lourdes. He should be present at the time of ceremony.
Yes, that's true. So go and bring him along. How can Lourdes Vishalakhi be worshipped without him?
Okay.
Call him.
The puja will start any moment. I have to be there. But what dress shall I wear? How will I choose that myself? I cannot see. But before that, I need to bathe. How will I do all of this by myself alone? Oh Lourdes Vishalakshi, why did you punish me like this?
Hey, friend. Hey, listen.
Rangana,
What? Yes,
Rangana?
here I am.
Have you come? Will you please take me to the bath? I'm longing to join the puja. I want to be a part of it.
I know, but before that, let me select a nice dress for you. Today is the ceremony after all.
Hey, hurry up. Are you done? Hey, why are you standing with all these? Deepu, go and bathe first.
So many clothes. But I can't decide what to wear.
Deepu, hurry up, my child. I have a lot to do there. Don't be late. Come quickly.
Yes, Aunt. I'll join you shortly. You may go. I'll join you, yeah? You go.
Yes, don't be late, okay?
Nayan used to take out my clothes until today. She used to decide what I will wear. I never had to worry about them. But there are no clothes taken out today. And I'm not able to choose myself. What should I do? What should I do? You have to choose the kurta for me today as well, Nayan. I don't know anything.
Friend, see, I've taken out a gorgeous dress for you.
All right, friend, please take me to the bath now.
Listen, I will leave you at the door of the bathroom, all right? Come. Come fast. I don't have much time. Here, just ahead of you. Wait. Come here. Listen, I have turned the geyser on. And do not turn the shower on in hot water mode. It may burn you. Be careful.
But please explain to me clearly which tap is for what,
I'm
friend?
telling you, this is the hot water tap and this one is for cold water. All right?
Rangana, where are you? Where did you keep the meadow grass?
Where did I keep it? Friend, where was it?
Where do you go in times of need?
Coming, Grandma, I'm coming. Hey, take a quick shower, otherwise Grandma will scold us. I'm coming.
Rangana, don't go. Please listen to me. I can't figure out which tap is for what, friend. Rangana.
Nayan, will you please select a kurta for me? Nayan isn't in the room. Then where did she go? Has she already gone for the prayers? Then I guess I must go downstairs. The noise came from the bathroom. Is Nayan in the bathroom?
Friend! Hey, friend, please listen to me. I am I'm unable to find the tap.
Oh no. Nayan is unable to understand anything alone.
Did I hear footsteps?
But Nayan has come to bathe. Will it be right for me to get inside now? No. I should rather...
Friend! Friend, have you come? Thank Lord you saved me. Otherwise, I could have died burning in hot water while figuring out the right tap.
No, Nayan. Don't touch it like that, okay? It can be dangerous.
Dripto sir?
Yes, actually, I came to this room looking for you. Rangana is not here. But if you want, I can help you, Nayan. I know you have asked me not to help you, but
Just showing me the right tap will do. Come.